Look at moves of Nordstrom. Those shares have been up a little bit, but really little changed after the company beat estimates for the second quarter, but stuck to its cautious outlook for the coming months. Sales are still struggling to rise to pre-pandemic levels. This was an interesting trajectory, where we saw the stock go up initially after the report, and then it came down in post-market trading. Now it's sort of bumping along here. There are two things that seem to be affecting the future-looking revenue. One is a comment on credit card delinquencies that echoed what we heard from Macy's as well. Credit card revenues did rise 10% in the first half. CFO Kathy Smith, though, said that delinquencies are gradually rising and are now above pre-pandemic levels. And the other issue is the one that we've heard so much about from the industry this quarter and last quarter, and that is shrink, that is theft. CEO Erik Nordstrom telling analysts losses from theft at their highest ever.
Yeah, I mean, this company was at the center of one of the more viral videos that we've witnessed shrink actually taking place. Shrink, theft, of course, the whatever euphemism you want to put on it, it impacts these companies, and we've heard it time and time again over the course of this earnings season. Something that's also impacted companies is the amount of sales or promotions that had to be moved forward. They had a massive anniversary sale timing during the quarter that shifted from the second quarter to the third quarter. Negative impact there of about 200 basis points on net sales compared with 2022, they mentioned. And then additionally here, you look at the gross merchandise value that was sold. That decreased 8.5% during the quarter as well. So the shift in what consumers are buying right now, whether they're actually buying it or not, or just walking out the store with it. And then additionally, just the categories that Nordstrom is continuing to buy into. And I think where those discretionary decisions are being made by customers in the store. Yeah,
I want to just say a quick word about Rack as well, Nordstrom Rack, which in this environment, in theory, should be performing well for them. You see the likes of a TJX that's been doing pretty well here. And it looks like that was a bright spot for the company, but not bright enough a spot to maybe offset some of these other points of concerns for investors. So just something to continue to keep an eye on here in this, pressured environment for consumers.